I just found a YouTube channel which has created more than a year ago and it got 16 million views. This video, for example, it got more than 160k views which has streamed 1 month ago. And why has this channel caught my eye? Because this channel is still uploading videos and getting decent views, which means this niche is still relevant to the people. In fact, Stoicism is such a niche which may remain relevant all the time because it helps people to find their inner peace when they get frustrated in their life. If you analyze the channel in Social Blade, you see how much revenue it generated over the years, yet all the videos of this channel are made faceless. So today I'm going to teach you how you can exactly do the same, but I'm not going to tell you to use multiple platforms like others, like script from one platform, images from other platforms, then another platform for generating the videos, and again polishing it in an editing software. No, not like that. I will use only one platform where those all tasks will be taken care of in only a few minutes, and you will get a complete ready to publish video just like that. Just make sure you stay till the end of this video. And another thing, I'm going to share another nice trick which will help you quickly fulfill the watch time of 4,000 hours to get the monetization done. So stay tuned. Now let's get to the computer screen and show you how you can generate the video. So we are going to log into this platform, which is vexub.com. Simply click on create a video. We can use this platform for many tasks. I am assuring you all of them are impressive, and recently they have added the Google VO3 feature in it also. I have made a separate video for this. You can check it out as well. Now we are selecting text to video. Go to step 2. Now select the ratio. I am going to select horizontal. Go to step 3. Selecting no narrator. Selecting this voice Marcus because I think this voice matches the theme. Go to step 4. Now this is the place which makes the difference. Here you are getting the option of generating the script. So write down the video topic here with some prompt and click on generate, and within seconds you will get a script, and you can modify it or you can also provide your own script. And now click on go to step 5. Now this is the detailing part which will make your video more appealing. Like many pre-made image styles are given which we can choose according to our video theme. As Stoicism is a historical or philosophical topic, like other content creators, we are choosing charcoal so that the video will be a warm, gloomy black and white type. Now click on start generation, and after a few moments you can see the result yourself. Let's play the video.
This Roman emperor wrote the ultimate self-help book. Every day, millions wake up to chaos. The noise of social media, news alerts, and unending to-do lists drown out inner peace. But what if you could find...
The result is almost flawless. I mean, what can I say? It's already ready to publish, but if you still want to customize, you can do with the music, images, or styles. So that's how you can create a ready to publish Stoic philosophy video within minutes. Now your task is to be consistent, upload videos regularly, and gradually you will see the result. But as I promised, let me tell you the trick. See this channel again. For example, look at the video length of this video. And if you check, you will notice that most of the videos are longer videos. So the thing is, people used to watch and listen to these videos in their free time when they're free and trying to get relaxed. So they used to keep on running these videos. So that's why you have a great chance to increase your watch time quickly by keeping them engaged in your videos for longer. So follow this trick. Try making good contents using vexub.com. Check out my other videos where I showed more viral faceless niches. I will catch you in the next one.